Hello, Liam. Hey, will you talk to me? Huh? Yeah, you going to talk to me? What? What are you looking at? How old are you, Liam? 5 months. Yeah, this is May 11, and you are over 5 months old. Yeah, let's see you push yourself in that walker. Can you do that? Yeah, can you do that? Hello. What you got there? Can you hold on to that? Can you hold on to that? I know you can. Oh.